Hey guys, what's up? It's gonna be a Borderlands unboxing right here. Borderlands 2 Deluxe Collector's Edition. That is what's inside of it, and it is going to be an awesome game. So let's go ahead and open this baby shit up. Alright, wait up, guys. Okay. Oh, it smells like a fresh game. I just got home from school, that's why I feel so tired. And this game is gonna be beast. Okay. Well, I know this is going to be a bobblehead. Yes, it's a bobblehead of Marcus, Moxie's old husband. Yeah, that's one of the thing. And let's get the game. Yeah, baby. Or not the game, just the thing, the art book thing. I'm not really a art book collector's guy. I'm sorry about that. It's a sweaty hand. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Those are pretty nice artworks. It's pretty much worth it than $100. So I really didn't buy the new thing. This is what I hate about the collector's edition. They did not put in any steelbook. Just plain old shitty looking plastic box. They should have included a steelbook at least. It's $100. Come on, guys. Come on. You can do better than that, Gearbox. And here's the map. I sure dear have not. Should have wanted the cloth map, but they didn't really include it here, so that's pretty not cool. Because I was gonna pre-order the thing, the Ultimate Luchas thing. So, and here comes the last part, the stickers, of course. Stickers, guys, stickers. Come on. And this is the thing. Downloadable content, guys. Woohoo! Yeah. And I'm not gonna show you the back. It's secret. And I think that's it. Here's the all inside the box. Inside the box, guys. Inside the box. The game, the art book, and there it is. Wait. There it is. There we go. It's a better look. The game, bobblehead, stickers, art book, map, and downloadable content. And I did not get my download add-on DLC content from GameStop yet, because their network was down yesterday, so gotta get it today. Alright, see you guys later on YouTube. Peace out, minions.